Members of the Northern Youth Professionals for Tinbu are commissioning this facility as part of their contributions to actualize the aspirations of the presidential candidates of the All Progressives Congress. For the group, the age of the APC presidential candidates is not a problem. Rather, they see it as an advantage for the nation.
Canvas support for our principal Asiwaju Bola Tinbu and his running mate Kashim Shettima, as well as our candidate in Niger State, Honorable Umar Bagu. We want quality leaders that have the capacity to turn things around. If we don't bring in professionals into politics, we'll continue to have people that might not do well, both at the federal, the state, and the local government. So that's why we're calling on professionals to be getting involved in politics. This is what informed our decision to form this organization.
At a separate event in Nasarawa State, another support group is mobilizing support for the presidential candidate of the APC. Ahead of the campaigns, the group urges politicians to adopt issue-based campaign strategies.
As you are seeing here, there are support groups here, about almost 18 support groups that volunteer without penny to call for a solidarity rally because the campaign time is not yet now. So they call to show their support for Asiwaju Bola Tinbu. We are winning 100%, and I'm advising the other opposition that they should not even waste their money. Because you can see from example, those are the people that I did not even come here with even 10 naira. And they can, most of them here, pay for their transport, pay for their feedings, and even sponsor some of them. You can see they were sharing waters just to support Asiwaju Bola Tinbu and Kashim Shettima.
As the various campaign teams take shape with recent appointments, the groups are hoping that these exercises will yield the necessary votes for the party to emerge victorious in the